Hi everyone, I will tell you a story. A kid Color bought a new car. It's a very expensive car. It's a huge, blue and fast car. While driving down the street, Color saw a girl on a bicycle. She has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He yelled to her, "What's up?" The girl is nodding. He yelled, "How's it going?" She kept going and he's nodding. He yelled, "Why won't you talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you. I'll take you to an expensive restaurant." The girl got off the bike and looked at him. "I don't want to go to dinner with you, but if you give me your car, I'll give you a surprise." Carlos said, "Okay." He jumped out of the car. He gave her the keys and he said, "Here are the keys." The, the beautiful blonde took the keys. Then she kissed Carlos on the cheek. She jumped into the car and drove away. Carlos stood on the sidewalk. Then he has no gun and no car. He got on her bike and ride home. That's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.